Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a unboxing video. So, for today, mag-unbox tayo ng filming equipments ko. Charing! So, first of all, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside it to be notified whenever I post a new video. So, let's get started. So, first up is itong Boya Lavalier mic. Lapel mic. So, dumating lang to kanina and I ordered this sa Shopee under Juangadget account. Juangadget. So, we are going to... So, currently, ang ginagamit kong mic is itong shotgun mic ng Boya, and I'm going to try this Boya Lavalier mic. So let's unbox it. Wow. So first, may parang manual siya. Boya by M1 Universal Lavalier microphone. And then isang warranty card. And yung mic itself. So nasa loob siya ng pouch. Just like yung shotgun mic ko, may pouch din siya. Ito. Pouch ng shotgun mic ko from Boya. And ito for the lavalier microphone. So, first we have this, yung mic. Beauty guru. And yung component niya. And super taas na wire. Ilang meters kaya? So, yeah. And then, silica gel. And yung extra accessories niya, which is yung battery and yung parang foam disc, yung clip niya, and then audio jack na mas malaki, parang adapter ng audio jack. So, let's try it. Clip. And then yung battery, isa lang siya. May no extra battery, so ganyan lang siya buksan. Nilalagay mo lang yung battery there sa slot niya. I-screw mo pabalik. Shortcut. So, may option siya for camera and smartphones. So, So, I guess we'll try it now. So, right now, ginagamit ko na siya. Nakakonect lang siya sa phone ko for voice memo. Kasi yung camera ko, which is Sony A5000, hindi siya nako-connectan ng microphone. Wala siyang audio jack. So, hindi possible na mag-connect ng microphone sa camera. So, I think I'll just check if may difference ba. So, right now, ginagamit ko na siya. And compared to the shotgun microphone, mas malakas and mas napipick up niya yung voice ko. So, yes. Of course, nag-work din naman siya. Excuse me. Nag-work din naman tong shotgun microphone. And I think this lavalier mic is much better than this one. So, ulit-ulit na lang tayo. So, that's all for the lavalier mic. Next one to unbox is my own ring light. Yeah! So, i-unbox natin to today. Dumating to mga first week of August. And, ngayon ko lang siya i-unbox. Sabay ng lavalier mic. So, I bought this sa Kim Store sa Shopee. Ay, sorry. Kailangan ko ata ng gunting for this. So, now I have this gunting. So, finally, na-open ko na siya. Nakuha ko na yung bubble wrap. And, ito na yung ring light. The brand is Prestigio. And, sa box na nakalagay lang is perfect for capturing exceptionally gorgeous photos and videos. And, dimmable brightness, lightweight and portable, works for more than 50,000 hours and 180 degrees tilt adjustment. So, whew. So let's open it. Yeah. So, may box siya with sling. And, let's open this. So, first is yung stand niya, tripod. Yung tripod niya. And, of course, the ring light. OMG. Next is this fill-in battery. Dalawa. And then, battery pack charger. Yung orange na pang cover sa ring light. what do you call this? Basta yung nilalagay mo siya dyan. Para parang orange effect. Next is this, ano to? Super innate. Oh, okay. Yung power cord niya. Next is yung covers na white. So, may orange and white. Then, user's manual. Paano siya i-set up. Next is yung mga screw for mounting. And yung phone holder. 10% na lang. OMG. And card from Prestigio. So, ito yung bag. Super big and super efficient. So, I guess isi-set up na natin siya. And I guess I'll be back. Binasa ko na, I scanned the user's manual. And it says na dito ilalagay yung both batteries. So, dalawa talaga siya, no? You'll get both batteries. So, ito. Tapos, insert. So, that's for the both batteries. For both batteries. Oh my gosh! So, for the diffusers, mamaya ko na lang siya Mamaya ko na lang siya ilalagay yung tripod. Let's do first the diffuser, which I don't know how pa. So, this is the dimming knob. So, madidim mo, ma-adjust mo yung brightness ng ring light. And I'm still figuring out kung paano ba ilagay. Okay. Ilagay ang diffuser. So, I think, lalagay mo siya dito sa may parang ganito. So, pwede dito. So, assemble ko na siya. So, yung diffuser is pupush mo lang siya sa ring light and maglalak siya gamit ng yung mga ganito niya. Basta, yun na yun. And, may AC port and DC port yung ring light. And, pwede mo siyang gamitin as portable na lang siya as well if ever wala kang outlet. So, you can use this both batteries and you can turn it on. OMG. So, I guess, yes. Tiniturn ko lang yung dimmable knob and ma-adjust ka na yung brightness ng ring light. So, I put it like this. Super lakas ng super lakas ng brightness niya. And if I turn it to the left, hihina naman siya. And if ever na lowbat na yung batteries and you can use it na, you can use the power cord para sa AC output niya, which is ipa-plug mo na siya sa outlet. So, For the diffuser, pwede mo naman siyang i-combine as white and orange. So, for the diffuser, may dalawa lang siya. Apat pala. So, may apat din siya. So, pwedeng lahat orange or combination of both white and orange. So, for the tripod, super sturdy and super high quality niya. Pwede mo naman ilagay yung phone mo dito and your camera here para swak na swak. Charles! May slot siya here. Tapos, gagamitin mo lang yung mga binigay na extra accessories for the slot. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me with my ring light and my lavalier microphone. If you want to check them out sa Shopee, I'm going to link them down below, or you can visit their shop, Juangadget and Kimstore. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of me, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. It will be linked down below. And see you next time. Bye!